Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dr. Atif Amin Baig, and it's approximately 10 p.m. in Malaysia. Something very important to share with all of you. Uh, During my course of teaching and research in the last nearly approximately 20 years, you know what I found, many of the students who have been discussing with me, and they've been asking a similar question, which is a difference between idea, invention, and innovation. Something very important, especially for those people who have been going into the innovation exhibitions. Something you want to do new or you want to do novel, and you got something about the critical thinking in your brain and you want to do it. That is an idea. That is an idea which is still in your brain, and you can even write it down. You can even formulate it up on the paper, but still it's an idea. Could be new, could be novel. Novel means nobody has ever done it before. But for example, something has been done in UK, but you are trying to do it in Malaysia, so it will be a new one, but still not novel. Yeah. So idea is the first step. Idea is the first step. Second step is you go for invention, or the other name, easy name, is prototype. So the doable idea is called invention. Like you come up with a raw model, a model, new product based on your idea which you have been thinking, you have been formulating, you have been writing. So that is basically your invention, okay, or prototype. So when you start testing it in the lab, you're just giving a clinical trials, human trials, animal trials, industrial trials, textile trials, any kind of those trials, halal versus haram kind of things. You have been testing everything. Is they toxic to the humans or they are not toxic, environmental safety, everything you have done, and then you're coming up with a product which can be commercialized. Yeah, which can be commercialized. So invention plus commercialization is equal to innovation. Yep, invention plus commercialization is equal to innovation, but everything started back with an idea. So ideas are very important, so be careful with whom you share your ideas. Number one. Number two, very important thing, when we want to protect our invention or prototype, ideally we go for copyright, and the duration of this copyright is approximately 50 years. You protect it, nobody can steal it from you. Secondly, for innovation, it's not copyright, we go for patent, in which you have basically the industrial partner and you have a commercialization partner, like the money part is involved, so it's called patent. You are not going to the details, but a simple differences between idea, invention, innovation versus use of copyright versus patent. So be careful when you're going next time to the innovation exhibition.